Okay, ignore that grinding sound in the background. That's probably just my laptop dying. I have been working on this uni reflection for several weeks now, and now I think it is ready for submission. And here we go. Woo! I think taking my laptop apart is going to have to be one of my jobs today. Right, so the plan is my laptop has been making funky noises for the past however many weeks. I don't need my laptop anytime soon, so hopefully the noises is just a load of dust built up in it. So the plan is take it apart, clean it out, try put it back together again without breaking it, which is exactly what happened last time I tried to do this. So wish me luck. Last time I had problems with this laptop, the keyboard stopped working. Now that I've looked at the inside, I can see how the dude at the shop fixed it. He just sellotaped it back together. Cool, laptop's now fully taken apart. Time to give it a bit of a clean. Hopefully that will sort out the rattle. Okie dokes, so it's taken apart and cleaned, time to put it back together and pray it works. Okay, fingers crossed we don't hear anything. Yeah, much better. What are we off to do today?
We are going to watch tomorrow's dancing.
Where at?
Event in Polo.
London.
In London.
London.
Yeah.
Which we can just do.
Yeah.
Just like, yeah, let's go for a day in London. Why not?
Yes, we can. Yeah, that's what I remember. I'm trying to think of the other. Oh yeah, on the line. Someone got back on the line. Okay, so we've got a few hours to kill now that we're here. So we're going to check out the British Museum and just hang out for a bit. It's a gorgeous building.
Yeah.
obviously we had to check out the New Zealand exhibit. Is that what I'm going to need to wear when I move there?
It's gonna help you get your citizenship, I think.
That like 5,000-year-old guy got stabbed in the back was pretty cool.
Yeah, for sure.
Now off to grab some peanuts and then to feed some squirrels. You know you want to. See, in New Zealand they don't actually have squirrels, hence why going out and feeding them today is a bit of a treat.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. No, there's nothing in here yet, but there will be. Oh wow. He's eating it on my lap. Trust me. He trusts me. Oh, I want to pet him, but he will go away.
Cool. Right, we're just off to go get some dinner before Lord of the Dance. I've just walked past it. Yeah, pretty excited. So damn close.
Yeah.
There we go. Go, do a pull-up. Go on, you can do another one. Got another one. Yeah. So just finished the Lord of the Dance. Gabby's pissing about.
Yeah.
No, it was good. It was good. I think we agree we prefer the men bits more.
Yeah.
No homo. Yeah.
With their shirts off.
Obviously
No,
with the
no
shirts.
homo.
No, but you know, they're all right.
Yeah.
Nothing on me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. So just heading home now, and I've got work at 6.
You have to be up at 6.
Have to be up at 6. So that's like going to be 5 hours sleep by the time I get home. It's been a good day.
It's been a good day.
Yeah.